Do you need auto repair and service? Auto transmission, automobile body repairing or painting? How about an oil change and maybe check your AC systems, batteries, belts and hoses, brakes, computer diagnosis, cooling systems, CV axles, electrical repairs, emission repairs, engine performance, engine repair, exhaust systems, fuel systems, oil changes, pre-purchase inspections, road trip inspections, scheduled maintenance, steering, suspension, timing belts, tires, transmissions, tune-ups or warning light diagnosis. Wow, that was a lot.